Today I'll quickly give an overview about P-School. So when you type in pschool.in, you land into this kind of page, and you will get here a login option. So currently I am a logged in user, so you cannot see this, but I'll request everyone to first create login. It is free, and then you can see a dashboard like this. Now, P-School has three portions primarily. One is the showcase. So you can see this showcase. You can access from here also. So showcase is the main section where they are providing all the free content, and you can see it is broadly classified into different categories like grammar, vocabulary, or stories, or you can try Sudoku. There are a bit of games are there, so you can try whatever you like, and then some regional content. It has a very minimum regional content. Uh, now, other two sections are here you can see all playlist. So to access all playlist, you need to be a subscribed user. The subscription is 500 rupees per year. It's pretty cheap. So you can easily go, and from kindergarten to class 5, you can get all the different kind of material, and you can see there are a lot of subjects are available: math, vocabulary, grammar, reading, and they have quite a bit of quite a lot of content. So you can easily go inside, see, okay, within noun how many contents are there, and you can use it in your class as per the need. Now the other part is you can create a playlist. So when I will create a playlist, so if I want to give a homework, or I want to do a quick test in my class, then I'll create a playlist. So I'll quickly show you how to create a playlist. So you can click on create playlist, and you come here. So there are two options, as I said. One is you can create your own content using the framework they are already given. So these are the different framework. So you can just select anything like any. Uh, I'll select this sorting template. Okay, so I can quickly go and see, okay, what is the sorting template. Okay, so you can just easily sort it. So I go back and I create my own template. So I have a student who are just learning numbers, so I want that they should be able to sort the numbers. Now I have created. So here when you enter, you need to enter it what is the correct sorting pattern, and then the system will give you a jumbled one, like give the student a jumbled one, and they can easily do it. So I'll just quickly change the name, that number sorting, and then some instruction: sort the numbers, and you do a submit. And you, if you want to quickly get it, want to see a demo, so you can see this is how it will look, and you can put it like, you can keep on sorting like 1 2 3 4 5, and you can just try to check. Okay, very good. So one is done. Now one we have created by using the template, but we entered the material which is created by us. Now another option you have, you just go to all playlist, and you quickly want to add something which is existing. So you can see all these add buttons. So you just go and click on add, and when you click on go to create playlist, you can see this common noun is already added. This is the existing syllabus which they have, which you are just using. So you can just quickly see, okay, this is you need to identify the common noun, and you can easily use it. Now after you create this playlist, you need to do a save. So you can get demo app playlist, demo playlist. So I will quickly save it. Now once you save it, you get an unique URL for this.